We'll start with a RX FW 560 size 10 traditional nymph hook, and this is fluorescent green UTC. So we'll just put a bit of tying thread on here and go back a little bit of the ways. This is a super quick nymph pattern. Pheasant tail, a few wraps. That's good. I like the tail to be long. And go back up to about there. We'll remove those. Take a length of ultra lace. This is a very soft body material. Tie that in with a couple of, just fasten it and then stretch it as we go back. You get an even body doing it this way, so we go back, stretching it all the time, right into the tail base, and then we'll secure it with a few turns, and we'll go back up again. To there, and then what we want is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we'll hold our rib and rotate our vise. Super. And then your thread will come back into the correct position. We'll just go over the ultra lace, secure that there, stretch it again, trim it off, and go forward over the thorax. We can stretch that again, trim it off. Just secure that. We go forward just behind the hook eye. We take a little larger bunch of pheasant tail, measure the legs. I like the legs a little longer on this as well, so let the tips point out over the hook eye. Now try and distribute the rest of the fibres over each side of the thorax, as this is going to be the wing case. I like a longer wing case on this nymph. It gives a very nice profile. Make sure we're back long enough. No, I want to go back a little bit more into the abdomen. I've got it nicely distributed. There we are. A little bit of hazier dubbing. This is just for a fuzzy thorax. Into the wing case base first, and then we can go forward for a nice slender wing case, thorax, and we split our pheasant tail legs. That's good, as long as I can push them down each side, and then I'll just pull them back. Start at the hook eye and work your way back. That's good. Take our wing case. Now I want the fibres not to cross here, so we'll try They should lie parallel like that. Let me just put a finger on there. Pull that over. Catch it in. Make sure it's lined correctly. There we go. That's good. Just make a couple of turns, then we'll trim that off at an angle. Go down to the hook eye and work our way up over the head. Give it a whip finish. Remove the tying thread. Just there we are. It's an ultra quick pattern that you can tie in whatever colours you like and whatever sizes. If you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.